Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video I will teach you on how to perform network reset in Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Last night I have a problem with my laptop. I'm using a Dell laptop, and then there is an internet connection Wi-Fi connection at home, but I cannot connect. My laptop cannot connect in the internet. So after several around 30 minutes, I figured out that I will try to network reset. So network reset in Microsoft Windows 10 is very useful if you want to reset your Wi-Fi or network connectivity in your laptop or desktop computer. So how we can perform that? First, from the start menu, navigate settings. So we go to PC settings and then click network in the internet. Okay, this one, we click this one, and then you should be status by default. So we go to status and then click reset now. We have to click this one. So click yes to confirm and restart the computer. In this example I will not restart, no, but when you click the reset now button, it will restart our computer. Your computer will now restart in your network adapters in configuration will be reset. By doing that, it solves my problems. When I restart my computer, my laptop Dell was able to connect to the internet in my Wi-Fi connection. So that is the tip that I can give you guys now on how to perform network reset in Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. I hope this can help you in troubleshooting and fixing your internet connectivity under Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video tutorial. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.